In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a call on hold in Microsoft Teams. This is a simple but really useful feature, especially when you need a moment to check information, speak to a colleague privately, or manage multiple conversations without hanging up on anyone. Let's start with when you're already in a call. This can be either a one-on-one call or a group call. The process is the same. Once you're connected and the call window is open, you'll see a row of controls in the middle or near the top of the screen. This is where you mute your microphone, turn your camera on or off, and access other call options. To put the call on hold, look for the More Options button. It usually appears as 3 dots in a horizontal line. Move your mouse over the call controls, and when you see those 3 dots, click on them. This will open a small menu with several choices related to your call. In that menu, you'll see an option labeled Hold. Go ahead and click on Hold. As soon as you do this, Microsoft Teams will place the call on hold. The other person or people on the call will no longer be able to hear you, and you won't hear them. Instead, they may hear hold music or see a message on their screen, letting them know the call has been put on hold. On your side, you'll see a clear indication that the call is on hold. This might be a banner or a label in the call window that says the call is currently on hold. This visual confirmation is important so you know the call has actually been paused and the audio is not active. While the call is on hold, you're free to do what you need to do. You can quickly check details in a chat, look up information in a document, or speak to someone beside you without worrying that the caller can hear you. When you're ready to return to the conversation, simply look for the resume or unhold button in the call window. Click that and the call will pick up right where you left off with audio restored for everyone. And that's all there is to it. Join your call, click on More, choose Hold, and then resume when you're ready. With this small feature, you can manage your calls in Microsoft Teams much more smoothly and professionally.